In this video, I will compare two of the most popular AI video generation tools on the market today, which are Higgsfield and Kling. Both platforms offer amazing features, but they cater to very different types of creators. Higgsfield is designed specifically for social media creators who want to make high-energy content on the go using their mobile devices. It offers an easy-to-use app that lets you animate photos or generate scenes from scratch with a focus on stylized characters and fluid motion. On the other hand, Kling is a powerhouse for those seeking stunning realism and cinematic quality. It can produce longer videos with incredible detail that looks like professional cinematography. While Higgsfield is great for casual users or influencers because it is fast and accessible, Kling is better for filmmakers who need precision and high-resolution output. Choosing between them depends on whether you value speed and fun or raw visual power. Both are changing the game, but one will surely fit your workflow better.